Have you ever noticed how some people start their day with two simple eggs, yet somehow stay full, energized, and glowing all day? Here's the thing, most people don't know. Eggs aren't just protein, they're hormone fuel, brain food, and heart protection, all wrapped in one shell. But wait, for decades we were told eggs raise cholesterol and harm the heart. So why are scientists now saying that eating 2 eggs a day could actually balance hormones, support testosterone, and lower stroke risk? Let's uncover the real science and what happens inside your body when you eat 2 eggs every single day. Each egg is like nature's multivitamin. 2 eggs give you 12 grams of complete protein, containing every essential amino acid your body needs to rebuild tissue, repair muscles, and produce hormones. They're also loaded with vitamins A, D, E, B12, selenium, zinc, and choline. Nutrients that directly influence how your brain and body perform. Choline, for instance, is vital for memory and learning. Your body uses it to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for focus and reaction time. That's why regular egg eaters often report sharper mental clarity and sustained energy without caffeine crashes. Here's where the story gets interesting. One large egg yolk contains about 185 milligrams of cholesterol, and for years that number terrified doctors. But modern research flipped that belief upside down, because not all cholesterol is bad. The cholesterol in eggs is dietary HDL, the good kind that helps your body remove excess LDL, the harmful type linked to plaque buildup. In fact, several studies, including one from Harvard, found that moderate egg consumption can actually improve your HDL to LDL ratio, making your heart more resilient, not weaker. And here's the shocker. People who eat 1 to 2 eggs daily often have a lower risk of stroke and better insulin sensitivity. So no, eggs aren't the enemy. They're misunderstood. Now let's talk hormones, especially testosterone. Every hormone in your body starts with one raw ingredient, cholesterol. Your body uses cholesterol to produce estrogen, cortisol, and yes, testosterone. So when you eat 2 eggs a day, you're supplying the building blocks your body needs to maintain healthy hormone levels. Add to that the vitamin D, B12, and zinc inside eggs, and you get a perfect nutrient combo that supports hormone regulation and mood balance. For men, studies show that maintaining healthy vitamin D and zinc levels is directly linked to higher testosterone and better muscle recovery. For women, those same nutrients help stabilize estrogen and reduce fatigue during hormonal fluctuations. 2 eggs daily don't just feed your muscles, they feed your endocrine system. Ever wonder why athletes swear by eggs? Each one delivers 6 grams of protein and a powerful amino acid called leucine, which triggers muscle repair and growth. When you eat 2 eggs in the morning, your body stays in a fat-burning state longer, keeping you full, balancing blood sugar, and reducing cravings later in the day. That's why people who include eggs in breakfast tend to eat fewer calories overall, not because they're dieting, but because they're nourished. Eggs also improve metabolic flexibility, your body's ability to switch between burning carbs and fat for energy, which makes them perfect for people practicing intermittent fasting or strength training. So why 2 eggs a day, and not 1 or 3? Let's break it down. 1 large egg gives you about 6 grams of protein, 70 calories, and roughly 185 milligrams of dietary cholesterol, plus a steady dose of vitamin D, B12, choline, and zinc. Double that, and you're looking at 12 grams of high-quality protein, just enough to keep your body in an anabolic muscle-building state for hours. You also get around 370 milligrams of cholesterol, which your body uses to produce hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol, but still well below the healthy daily limit for most adults. At that range, your body gets the right amount of raw materials to support hormone production, brain function, and energy, without overloading. 2 eggs provide about 50% of your daily choline, the nutrient essential for brain and nerve function, and around 20% of your vitamin D, supporting hormone regulation and bone health. That combination, protein, choline, vitamin D, and moderate cholesterol, creates the perfect hormonal and metabolic balance. 2 eggs also supply about half your daily choline needs and nearly 1/5 of your vitamin D, nutrients that most people don't get enough of. But here's the key. Those 2 eggs don't replace other meals. They balance them. They're meant to complement a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, filling the gaps your other meals might miss. Go higher, say 3 or 4 eggs daily, and you may exceed your cholesterol threshold without added benefit. Stick to 1, and you miss the nutrient synergy your body needs to optimize muscle repair, focus, and hormonal health. That's why most nutritionists and studies point to 2 eggs a day as the ideal balance, the point where benefits peak and potential downsides stay minimal. 2 eggs a day also provide about 50% of your daily choline needs, which protects your brain and nervous system. They're rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from aging and screen fatigue. And thanks to vitamin D and omega-3s, eggs can even lift your mood, supporting serotonin and dopamine balance naturally. That's why many nutritionists now call eggs nature's antidepressant. So, what's the real takeaway? Eggs aren't perfect, but they're one of the most complete and affordable superfoods available. 2 a day is the sweet spot, enough to unlock their full benefits without overdoing cholesterol intake. Your heart, brain, and hormones all work better when you give them the raw materials they need. And sometimes that starts with 2 simple eggs. So the next time you crack an egg, remember, you're not just cooking breakfast. You're nourishing your body's deepest systems. From testosterone and muscle repair to brain health and energy. It's not magic, it's biology done right. Would you eat 2 eggs a day? Tell us below, and subscribe for more wellness truths the internet doesn't tell you.